Good. So we have seen how we lit the bulb by connecting it to the positive and negative poles of a battery. Now we will see an interesting part of electronics called the diode. Okay, so uh, here this use this diode that is shown and place it as shown in this circuit. So the second and third circuit show us some properties of diodes. We will experiment accordingly. Okay, switch it on. Good. But now we will also see what happens if the diode is placed in the other direction. Turn it around. Turn it on. Okay, so now we are able to see that the diode is not allowing the current to flow, because it only allows the current to flow in the direction of the ring. So the bulb is not lit. Okay, turn the diode around again. Okay, see, so the current will only flow in the direction of the ring, and now the circuit is able to complete and the bulb is lit. Let us continue to the third circuit shown. Okay, so now uh, we are seeing that you are also able to place two diodes in sequence. So arrange the blocks accordingly. That is okay, because it is just a connection. Even if the plus is not there, it means the wire in the other direction is not there, and since it is not connecting anything, the minus block is also okay. Turn it on. Okay, so although the bulb is a little dim, we can see that current is passing through the circuit. From the positive it flows to the negative, and if we see the direction of the ring, it is followed. Both the rings are in the right direction, so the current is flowing. If you turn any of them around or both of them around, the lamp will not be lit. We can try that now. Try turning it on. Yes, so now we can see that the current can only flow. Okay, I think what has happened that we have connected this directly now. The diode is not in the way, but this diode, if we don't turn it around, it will not allow the current to flow. Turn this around. Yeah, I think this would mean that the diode is now will not allow, because the ring is in the other direction. So if we turn it around, now this one diode is in the right direction, but this diode is still not allowing the current to flow. Turn this around and set it like this. Yes, so if you see, now the current can flow in the direction of the ring and also in the second diode of the direction of the ring, and so the lamp is now lit. So did you understand about diodes?
Yes.
Good. We will continue with other components in the next circuit.